today I'm going to show you how to make some vegan onion bhajis. So this is a bit of a combination of two recipes which I will leave linked down in the description box. I will leave the ingredients list that I'm using just in the next slide so you can screenshot it and make these yourself. Stay tuned and we'll get started with it. The first thing that you want to do is take your onions, and I'm just going to cover them with cold water. So there are my onions in water, and while they're just soaking a minute off to the side, I'm going to take my pestle and mortar and into that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. And I'm just going to grind them up so that they're nice and fine. So there we have it. My seeds have been ground up now, so a little bit more of a finer powder. And then while my onions are still soaking, I'm just going to prepare my batter. So I've got a large bowl here with a sieve on top, and I'm going to add in my gram flour. And also half a teaspoon of baking powder. And I'm just going to sift them through. Just for the last bit, I'm going to use a spoon to push it through. So all my flour's in there along with my baking powder, and now I'm just going to tip in my seeds that I've just ground earlier. And I'm going to mix them to combine them. So that's our dry ingredients together now. I'm just going to pop my spoon off to the side. So now I've mixed my dry ingredients. I'm just going to take a measuring cup and I'm going to measure out 100 ml of the water from the onions. I'm going to go and do this over the sink just so I don't make a mess. I've got 100 ml of my water from my onions. I'm going to pour that into my dry ingredients and use a whisk to mix it together. So that's my batter all whisked together now. I'm just going to tap my whisk off. And then the final thing you want to do is just drain your onions off and add them in. So in go your onions. And again, I'm going to use this spoon just to stir it all together. And my onions are all mixed in. So now it's time to get frying. So I'll see you over at the stove and show you what we do next. And now it's time to fry our mixture off. So I've got a wok here with some vegetable oil in it. I'm going to put my oil on heat so it can warm up, and then once that's heated I'm just going to take a spoonful of mixture, try it as a test to see if it fries up, and then once it's hot enough I'll fry my onion bhajis off. I'll show you how we do that. all of my Bhajis have now finished frying off, and this is what they're looking like. So I'm going to enjoy one of these tonight with my homemade curry and some rice as a lovely tea. So what I'll do with the oil is save that until next time we're making some of these, and I'll keep reusing it. Just let it cool down in the pan and store it in a glass jar, just so we're not throwing it away each time. So thank you for watching that recipe. I do hope you did enjoy it. Don't forget to give it a like if you did, and if you're going to make your Bhajis yourself, don't forget to take a picture and tag me on Facebook and Instagram. I'll leave the links to my pages just down in the description box. Don't forget you can subscribe. You can click up here and watch my previous video just over here. Thank you ever so much for watching today's video, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!